Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice algebraic expression without using the calculator. If we have 16 to the power of 6 minus 16 to the power of 5 and we write this algebraic expression into the lowest form without using any calculator. So here I can just give you a nice method in I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Now we move toward the solution of this problem, and here first we break the exponent of this term as this is 16 to the power of 6. We write it as 5 plus 1 minus this is 16 to the power of 5. Here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this rule of exponents, here we break this exponent as this is 16 to the power of 5 plus 1 becomes 16 to the power of 5 multiplied by 16 minus this will becomes 16 to the power of 5. In the next step, we need to take common 16 to the power of 5, and when we take common 16 to the power of 5, we get the remaining values are 16 minus 1. And further, in the next step, we need more simplifications, and we get here this is 16 to the power of 5 is multiplied by 16 minus 1 becomes here 15. So here you know about that 16 is written as 2 to the power of 4 because 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So we replace this 16 equals to 2 to the power of 4 and it will becomes 2 to the power of 4 and its exponent is 5 is multiplied by 15. And here we use another exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So according to this rule of exponents, we write this term as this is 4 times 5 becomes 20 and it will becomes 2 to the power of 20 and it is multiplied by 15. So further in the next step we write this 20 as 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 10 and it is multiplied by this 15. So here we move this 10 inside the term and it will be written as 2 to the power of 10 and its whole square is multiplied by 15. So further in the next step we know about that 2 to the power of 10 is equals to 1024. I hope so you find this value easily without using the calculator, because here you just need to multiply 2 with 10 times. Okay, you easily get this value. And now here we replace this value on base of this term and it will becomes here 1024 and its whole square is multiplied by this 15. So you very well know about that. The meaning of 1024 whole square is that we multiply 1024 with 1024 and at the last its resulting answer is multiplied by this 15. So further in the next step here I can just give you a nice method or smartest way in which you can easily multiply these to bigger numbers without using the calculator or without any long calculations. So here first we need to break this value into the form of 1000 100 tens and ones form. So we write it as this is 1000 plus we write 24 as 20 plus 4 and its resulting answer is multiplied by this 15. So in the next step we need to multiply this 1024 on each of these values and it will becomes, when we multiply this value with 1000 it will be written as 1024 and 000 plus when we multiply this value with 20 it will be written as 1024 is multiplied by 20. In the same pattern we multiply 1024 with 4 and its resulting answer is multiplied by this 15. So here first we need to multiply these values and we write this term as it is. This is 1024 and 000 plus here we consider this is one digit number and this is our two digit numbers. So when we multiply 0 with this number you get 0 and 2 times this number equals to 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 1s are 2 and plus in the same pattern we multiply 4 with these values we get 4 4s are 16, we write 6 and carry 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 4 zeros are 0 and 4 1s are 4. and it's multiplied by 15. Further, in the next step, we need to sum up all of these values, and it will be written as 0 plus 0 plus 6 becomes here 6. This 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 plus 9 becomes 17. We write 7 and carry 1. So this is 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4, and 4 plus 1 becomes 5. This is 4 plus 0 is 4, and 4 plus 4 becomes 8. So this 2 plus 2 becomes here 4, and at the last we get this is 1 and 0. So we need to multiply this number with 15, and now we break this 15 as 10 plus 5. And in the next step, we need to multiply this value on both of these two terms separately. So when we multiply this value with 10, it will be written as 10485760. And now we multiply this value with 5, it will becomes 5 6 are 30. We write 0 and carry 3. 5 7 are 35. 35 plus 3 becomes 38. We write 8 and carry 3. 5 5 are 25. 25 plus 3 becomes 28. We write 8 and carry 2. 5 8 are 40. 40 plus 2 becomes 42. We write 2 and carry 4. 5 4 are 20. 20 plus 4 becomes 24. So we write 24 is here because this is 0. And when we multiply 5 with 1, it will be written as 5. So here in the final step, we need to sum up both of these two values, and it will becomes 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 6 plus 8 becomes 14. We write 4 and carry 1. So this is 7 plus 8 becomes 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. We write 6 and carry 1. So this is 5 plus 2 becomes 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. This is 8 plus 4 becomes 12. We write 2 and carry 1. So this is 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And this is 0 plus 5 is 5. And at the last we will get here 1 only. So finally we have our final answer of this question is 1 5 7 2 8 6 and 4 0. This is the final simplified form of the given algebraic expression, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.